guys, welcome to, let's just say, Drinks with Stephanie, and we got our coffee and our news on headlines today, and yeah, let's just start with Drinks with Stephanie. Here we go. The Apple MACBOOK Pro has its hugely surprisingly upgrade to its new computer. It has new Intel chips, better screens, more RAM, but no keyboard fix. Let's just say the keyboard fix, there's no keyboard fix on this. The newer MacBook Pros has the touch bar, which is very annoying. So the keyboard, there's no keyboard fix. Apple, what the hell are you doing here? Come on, you gotta give us the actual full upgrade, with the better screens, better RAM, better quality, you know? I'm just saying, according to this, the new 13-inch and 15-inch models are available now with Apple, adding True Tone display support and a tweaked keyboard. Tweaked. A little tiny bit fixed, but not slightly. That promises to be quieter, but not more dust resistant. So, okay, it's going to be a quiet keyboard, but the keyboard that's on the new Apple Macs, it's more dust resistant. Let's just say you see a whole bunch of dust on your keyboard, and yeah. So yeah. The entry-level 13-inch MacBook Pro model without the touch bar is unchanged for now, as is rest of the Mac lineup, including the 12-inch MacBook, MacBook Air, and desktop Macs. So, okay. Yep, it is interesting. So, it's gonna be a quieter keyboard, new screens, newer processors in the computer, and yeah, this thing really, come on, Apple, you gotta do a full upgrade. You know, you can have a quieter keyboard and less dust. Less dust on the keyboard. You know, there's ways to fix that. You know? I'm just saying. So, that's pretty much it. Let me know of what your thoughts are on this one. And yeah, subscribe for more videos like this. And follow me all over the at 70s Live. See ya, peace, bye, and subscribe. Bye.